When you're dealing with a client, and I think this would be really valuable for, again, us at SkillSuite, we're dealing with the small business owners. What do you see that people don't do that they should be doing in their Google My Business profile? So let's say number one, they should have one if they don't. So let's assume they've got a profile.
Yeah, they've got to claim it to start with, and then they've got to fill it in, and they put in their categories. And there's a main category, and then there's other ones that are related to similar things that they do, but you must have a primary category. And one of the things they're doing now is you're able to add services, and you put a description in for each of those services. Everything you fill in makes a big difference. And Google loves activity, everything else online too, because if you've got a website, you can put that onto your Google Business profile, and there's a great link to your website. People go from one to the other. And then you should have your Facebook as well, Facebook business page, and keep that up to date and regular posting on that. Make videos. You can have a YouTube channel, and make sure that the YouTube channel name reflects your business name. And one of the things a lot of people forget is local directories, and local directories give a backlink to your website, which all increases the customer awareness. They're all added in together, and it's all part of the local online presence. The core is the reputation, and then everything else is built around it.